Hi all. Today I'm going to talk about visiting the most Instagram-worthy places on Earth. Can't wait to get started. Here are some of the most Instagram-worthy spots on Earth, according to popular travel and photography blogs and influencer lists. Santorini, Greece. Petra, Jordan. Machu Picchu, Peru. Bali, Indonesia. Venice, Italy. Marrakesh, Morocco. Kyoto, Japan. Cinque Terre, Italy. Amalfi Coast, Italy. Tulum, Mexico. Note that this is just a starting list, and the most Instagram-worthy spots are subjective and can vary depending on individual preferences and current trends. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. Uluru, Ayers Rock, Australia. Iguazu Falls, Argentina and Brazil. Petra, Jordan. Banff National Park, Canada. Petra, Jordan. Milford Sound, New Zealand. The Great Wall of China. Victoria Falls, Zambia and Zimbabwe. Again, this is just a selection of some of the most popular and photogenic places on Earth, and there are many other beautiful and inspiring locations that might be even more suitable for individual tastes and interests. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.